Hello Internet, my name is Jose from Optimum Digital Solutions, and in this quick video I'll be showing you 3 easy steps to beat your competition online starting today. Before I move on forward with this video, I just want to answer a simple question you probably have in mind right now, which is, why exactly am I recording this video? Well, the answer is pretty simple. A little while ago I found out that a lot of small business owners spend a lot of time running and managing their business where they don't really have the time to learn about how to make the internet work for their business in terms of generating new clients. Secondly, I found out the main thing standing in the way between a business owner hiring a marketing company is that a lot of times some business owners don't know how to tell who's an expert and who's not. So I found out by recording these short videos and giving away my attack plans for free that some of those business owners that watch my video end up raising their hand and say, "Hey Jose, I love your video, I like you, please take care of this for me." And if you don't feel this way by the end of this video and want to do the process I teach you on your own, that is totally okay. The whole purpose of this video is for educational purposes. So now let's get started with this video. The 3 topics we'll be talking about today would be content, backlinks, and business citations. So how exactly are those 3 topics important to generating a lot of clients for your business? Well, I'll show you right now. So I know you guys offer many different services, but to keep this video short and simple, I'm just going to focus on the water damage service you guys offer. So let's head over to one of my tools that I use called Ares on Ares.com. So according to this tool, water damage cleanup Tucson is the most popular term used among people seeking water damage cleanup services in your area. So when you put this keyword on Google, the first thing you see is the ad section, the map pack section, which features the top 3 ranking businesses on Google Maps, which we'll talk about it later on in this video, how you get to be on the top 3 Google Maps. And then down here is the organic listing, which features 10 websites that are currently ranking for the keyword of water damage cleanup Tucson. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to optimize your websites to show up for keywords like this one right here. Now that I got that out of the way, this same concept applies for all other keywords. But like I said, I was just trying to keep the video short. So let's get started. So I just want to say you have a beautiful website and it's super easy to navigate. However, when it comes to content, you guys only have about 395 words of content on your homepage. It is recommended for you to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content on your homepage in order for your website to be optimized in the area of content. Secondly, the second area of opportunity I noticed too is that your images are not saved under keywords. So for instance, whenever you save images, you want to save your images under keywords like this one. So let me right click on this real quick and let me save it as. So whoever did your website, save this file name under water damage and mold removal. So you want to make sure you put keywords in this file names because when Google crawls your website, whenever someone does a search on Google, it doesn't look for pictures. It looks for file names, codes, etc. And the only thing Google can see are those file names. The third area of opportunity that I noticed too right off the bat is that your site is not secured. Having a not secure site creates an untrustworthy factor under Google's eyes. So that's an easy fix though. So definitely take care of that as soon as possible. It will definitely help your ranking on Google. And lastly, the last area of opportunity when it comes to content is that you guys do not have enough of highly searched keywords. So I'm looking for the keyword of Tucson, anything with the word Tucson in it. So let's see. Time restoration of Tucson. So this is good, but you want to get found by people who don't know about your company. So you want to have keywords in your content like this one, water damage cleanup Tucson, because whenever someone's looking up for that type of services, they're not really looking for one company specifically. They're looking up for any company in general. So you want to make sure you get found by those people by having keywords like this in your content. Alrighty, so when it comes to ranking the first page of Google, content is king. However, it's not the only factor that helps you get ranked on the first page of Google. Next, we'll talk about backlinks. So once again, I'm using the tool of Ares, and according to this tool, you have it ranking at 21 million. So what exactly is a backlink? A backlink is a link put in a different website that once someone clicks on it, it will take you to your website. So what does that do exactly? What it does is transfer you over their power from that website. So you want to make sure that wherever you're putting those backlinks on, you want to make sure that those are high quality backlinks because there are a lot of spammy backlinks out there that will hurt your ranking when it comes to ranking the first page of Google. So be careful with that. So let's take a look at which keywords you're ranking for. So it looks like you're ranking for your own company name, and that's pretty much it. You're not quite generating that much traffic from the other keywords. Now let's take a look at one of your competitors that's currently ranking in the first page of Google for the area of Tucson. So ServPro Northeast Tucson has a ranking of 40 million, URL rating of 18, domain rating of 2.9. They have 97 backlinks coming from 19 different websites, currently ranking for 386 keywords, and they're generating about 200 organic traffic per month. Let's take a quick look which keywords they're ranking for. So water damage cleanup Tucson, generating about 44. Water damage cleanup Tucson, but with the clean and up together, they're generating about 35. So you get the idea. As you get the idea, this company sees the value of targeting these location-based keywords like Tucson, Tucson AZ, Tucson mold removal, water damage Tucson AZ. They know that it helps them generate a lot of clients. So there's definitely a lot of opportunity out here when it comes to ranking for those keywords. Now the last company that we're really looking at is, now this is your second competitor. It's also ranking the second page of Google for that keyword that I showed you earlier of water damage cleanup Tucson. So Steamy Concepts has a ranking of 4 million, ER rating of 38, domain rating of 29. They have 43,000 backlinks coming from 322 different websites. Currently ranking for 2,800 keywords, and they're right now generating about 4,300 organic traffic per month. I know this company, click on it real quick. They only have 2 locations. However, they target many different areas. Let me show you real quick. So they're targeting Phoenix, Mesa, Arizona, Santan Valley, Green Valley. You get the idea. And their most popular keyword in Tucson, Arizona is carpet cleaning Tucson. They're generating about 105 organic traffic per month from just that keyword alone. Alright, so the last thing we'll be talking about in this video will be your business citation. So what exactly is a business citation? Put in simple terms, a business citation is an online listing, put in an online directory like Facebook, Angie's List, Yelp, etc. that has your business name, business phone number, and business address. And to put in simple terms, it's pretty much a popularity contest. The more you have, the higher your trust Google has with you. So what I do is I use a tool called whitespark.ca. I look up my competitors' listings on different directories. I put listings on those directories, plus I look for new ones, which as a result leads me to having more listings than my competition, which leads me to be on top 3 of Google Maps. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative, and if you have any questions, please feel free to message me, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Hope you have a great day, okay? Bye-bye. Thank you.